Hello and welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today let's check out another amazing tool from 4people.com. This is an AI YouTube title generator. I'll leave the link down below. It's absolutely free to use, and all you have to do here is enter in a short description describing your video, and this AI tool will generate 10 amazing titles for you. So here are some examples of how to describe your video, just a quick sentence. So I'll just copy and paste this right here. So you would enter in your own description of your own video, just like in this example, and then click on generate YouTube titles, and within a few seconds you will see the results down below here. And here are the 10 titles you can use to add to your next YouTube video. And let's do another one for travel and generate, and here are the titles. Once again, it's pretty good, lots of ideas to choose from. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out 4People and subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.